Well, may not look like a day's work, but guess I got half of the frame done today. This string's a little out, but it's because I didn't measure when I put it up. It is square anyway. This side's going to be a little high, but I already put in 10 inches of drop. Gonna have to backfill to get this side more level. Not looking like a freaking plateau. Frame is completed. Seems to be within tolerances. Reinforced this corner a bit with some decorative rocks and or rubble. Worked the surface inside some, backfilling the frame. I just threw down a pallet's worth of fence post mix into my frame. Otherwise all they seemed to have was gravel. Pound it down and put a little water on it. Come back tomorrow with some sand. Got some sand on demand at the land, just as I planned. Well, I came up here today with 2,000 pounds of sand and laid 19 out of 31 rows. Gonna dump out some of this polymeric sand and sweep it in. We had a couple dry days, so I went ahead and finished the paving even though the sand was kind of wet. Needed to bang this thing out so I can work on getting another container.